Welcome to Daily Tech Solution. Today in this video I will show you how to rename multiple PDF files automatically using Python. So if I open the PDF, you can see there is a specific text, district and name of the district. Here is district Nilphamari. So I want to rename this file like district underscore name is Nilphamari underscore the previous name. So if I open the next PDF, there is same district Molavi Bazar and I want to rename this one also. So here in same way I'm rewriting this name manually, but we can do this in automatically using Python code, because if we have a lot of files and then we cannot do this manually, so we need to do that automatically. Here I have a Python code. If I run this code, here you can see that it will automatically rename the file. So let's start. First of all, you have to open a Python file. Here follow the code I have written here. I will also paste this code on description box. Just follow the code. You need to just change the folder path location. Here I'm declaring folder path variables and copy the folder PDF file location. You need to change this based on your location. Okay, just follow the code. From here you can wrap the text. Yeah. I'll search for specific text, as previously said, that is district name. So I'm declaring this district, and after that what will be the text will add as file name. Here you can see the district name if match will go through a loop, and we will break the loop after first searching. So it will stop after first searching by break. So here the code is ready, and again I'm showing inside the PDF file you will see district name, and I will rewrite the file name. So just run the code. Oops, there is a permission error because the PDF file is open, so just need to close the PDF. And if I rerun the code again, yeah, it's work. Thank you.